What is it?
Look.
Is it a silly book?
Silly book.
What are you guys doing? Are you reading before bed?
No.
No. Heidi, what are you doing?
Reading Bugsy Booty.
What? You guys are being so good. Reading books.
Let me see.
What do you want to see, Brookie?
Pictures.
You want to see the pictures?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll come show you. Let's all say we love you, Daddy.
I love you, my little booty daddy.
What? Brookie, you want to say hi to Daddy?
Hi, Daddy.
Wave to the camera. Say I love you, Daddy.
I love you.
Okay. Heidi, you want to blow him a kiss?